And so just like there was a probability of going down with what we've seen in there, when you're looking for pullback and a retracement and looking for it to look like this, because that's what you need it to look like this anytime you look a pullback into our PWAPs, our green and red lines. Then you get a couple sell pulses that get rejected, and you get our laser to go red, and you get a nice flip in this AP. And let's show it. So it's like ready, aim, and right in here you get this sell pulse got rejected right away. All the red came in, which means shorts are trying to press it and stuck. And then look at this AP number flip. And all of this is what? Order flow, what other people are doing. And the market's able to pop out of the hole pretty decent. And we talked about, what could you see before you see this big move lower, which resulted in this right here, resulted in another 20, 25 point break and was essentially the reversal of it. How could you be closer to up here or at least down in here to predict that than 25 points lower when it's too late? And we talked about how this number got pretty imbalanced before it broke. We talked about it slicing through these levels, and when they slice through these levels like they're not even there, that's a B2B or transitional moment. Always remember, you can't predict it's going to rain after you're wet. Doesn't do anybody any good. And then you got to get a little bit better than predicting it's going to rain when you hear thunder, because then it's a little too late. But that's what trading is. It's about predicting what's going to happen next when most of the rest of the people didn't see it coming. You know what I mean? If everybody's predicting rain, no, that's too many longs or too many shorts in the market. It's like, how did you see that? What did you know?